It's shit like this that irritates the of me. Get out of the way! Oh my god! Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Labor Day. It's Monday. Happy Labor Day, y'all. If you are like me, I do not celebrate shit like that. It's just always an excuse for you to spend money and you to be in an overcrowded ass place. So I am not doing anything crazy. I'm not going to the beach. I'm not going to the pool because it's going to be so crowded. I'm doing what I would normally do on a Sunday, and that's grocery shopping. That's buying house essentials. That's spending me time, because it's very important, ladies, if you are a mom or anything like that, to take time for yourself and enjoy time alone, because your company is the best company. So to start off this vlog, I am at Walmart right now, and I normally do not come here. I absolutely despise Walmart for so many reasons. The customer service, the maintenance on the store, everything I despise about Walmart. But I needed to buy like Pampers and like candles and stuff, and unfortunately, you know, Walmart always comes to mind when it comes to their candles, because their candles are so great and they're so cheap. And I figured I would just do a little grocery shopping while I'm here already. So whatever, I usually go to Target. Target's so much better. You can call me bougie or whatever, but yeah, I cannot compare Target to Walmart. Hands down, good service. The store is always so clean. People are always so pleasant, and they enjoy your company. So let's get this shit over with. So I'm gonna... Who are you? Ew, my mask is weird. So I'm wearing my child's mask because it's the only mask that actually fits properly, because all the other masks just don't fit right at all. Gotta get some wipes. Moms, I just want to say I absolutely recommend these diapers. They're huggy all-nighters. Even though I don't use them for just to sleep, they are so great. They do not leak whatsoever. This is exactly why I hate Walmart. 2 things open. That's it. Just 2. And look at all these people waiting. Finished my shopping at Walmart, and I really didn't find everything I needed. I really needed a freaking mop, and the mops they had were like $14. Why is it so expensive to buy a mop? I'm literally using it to clean dirty floors. Like, that makes absolutely no sense. So whatever. I'm gonna go to the dollar store now to buy some dollar store necessities. And this is like false advertising. I'm sorry, Big Dollar Zone, but this is $2. So everything is not $1. I'm telling you, bro, this is a scam. Really dope and like really artsy. Like, you can literally get these. These are, I think they're $1. You paint them and like look at all this. This is awesome. I actually bought these and I painted them white. And look, they even have more. They all say laugh. This is pretty dope. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I thought that was ham. It looks like cut up ham. What is that supposed to be? Yo, they even got Spider-Man and frozen air fresheners. How does this smell? Well, definitely this, I don't know how Spider-Man would smell, so I guess that's what he would smell like. And let's see. Oh, I just broke that. Oops. You. There's more. Right. So, first time eating at this place, Wayback Burger. It's good, but Five Guys is way better. But it's a little cheaper than Five Guys, because Five Guys is mad expensive. So I think I paid for 2 burgers, cheese fries, 2 burgers, cheese fries, regular fries, tenders, and another order of fries. I paid $23, so that's not bad. Five Guys, I would have paid like $45. So just a little tour of my living room. So this is kind of it. I'm in the process of redoing my entire living room for fall slash like November, December. So I'm getting rid of all summer colors and redoing it completely. So it's not that big. I don't like how it looks. Do not mind all those clothes over there. They're folded. I have to take them upstairs. So this is kind of like, I just did this. This is like my little workstation since I'm bringing Slay back. This is where I'm going to be doing all my shipping stuff, and, you know, kind of just wanted to have something separate where I can come and chill. I love being in the living room because it's so cozy. Nice big mirror, my AC, my beautiful son. Say hi. Alright, seeing that Ella drew that she just stuck right there on my wall because she did not care. Potter, my Twilight books. Yes, I did get the Midnight Sun. We have the Hunger Games collection. We have the Divergent, the 50 Shades, and just a cute little picture of me and my man. I know we look mad funny, right? My sister says that we look like Titanic. And then we have like a little calendar that obviously I have not changed. And we got some blankets here at the bottom. So yeah, I would show you guys the rest of my home, but I'm in the process of cleaning. So maybe when I'm done cleaning, I may show you, maybe not. This is how you know that I was mad late on Saturday. On Friday. Yo, those are my lashes that I took off. They're stuck to my couch keys. Oh my god, them joints is not coming out. Took my kids a bath, and I'm about to make something quick to eat, maybe a sandwich or something. I promised my daughter that we were gonna have a little movie night. I've been dying to see Maleficent, the new one, but I forgot what the first one's about. So we're gonna watch the first one and then the second one. Make something to eat real quick. Crazy, right? What? This is a George Foreman grill, and I love it for making sandwiches, grilled cheeses, even your cheese, your chicken. It's great for your chicken. This is also great for making sandwiches because you can do all of it in one shot and you don't have to dirty your stove. Perfectly clean stove that you just cleaned. You don't have to dirty it. You just dirty this. The only thing is here, see, like this is starting to drip, so I'm gonna put a napkin there. There we go. Just put like a rag, because the piece that comes with it, I don't know what I did with it. And then you just close it out. Voila! Put the bread with the cheese, and you got yourself some ham and cheese. Look at that sandwich. That grilled ham and cheese, man. That joint is grilled. Then all this for the fat man.
Like I can dab in anyone. And then I'm getting my brother the piggy bank. And then Slinky for Papa too, and that's it.
Nice.
That's all I'm getting him.
You got a lot of money to buy all those presents, huh?
Yeah, but you lost it.
Yeah.
Yeah. My mom lost it.
Get out of here. That's nasty. All right, let's watch this movie. Come on. They came out with a movie, Dora.
Wait, what?
Do you want to watch it or no?
Wait, yeah, so... Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She was like, wait, where's the cartoon Dora? This is a new Dora. Do you want to watch? You want to see the preview?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to tell me if you like it or not?
I love it.
I don't really want to watch this.
You can watch it.
See, look, she's just like Dora.
Wow. She looks like a person. Oh my gosh, Dora. Wow.
That would never actually happen. Like, you could never survive something like that. Good morning. I hair looks so crazy, right? It's crazy because I don't have anything in my hair and it's like curly. Look at it. I wish it was always like this. So I want to end this video. I want to end this vlog just because it's the next day. And of course my phone always dies, so I'm not able to fully record everything, but we really didn't do anything special. It's what we do every night. We'll lay down, watch a movie, go to bed. But today is Tuesday and it is my son's 3rd birthday. We're not doing anything special today because we are taking him to Kalahari this weekend. So I will be vlogging that trip for you guys, so you guys have an idea on what the Kalahari is, or if you've never been to the Poconos, what to expect at the Poconos. But thank you guys so much for watching my random day spent with me vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more videos like this, more content like this, comment down below and let me know. Also, do not forget to let me know if you guys would like to see the 400 subscriber giveaway or the 500 subscriber giveaway. Let me know, comment down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See you soon. Bye.